Welcome back to Auto Inside. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting blends of nostalgia and innovation, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 Vintage Pickup. This isn't just a tribute to a classic truck. It's a full reimagination of Chevrolet's iconic 3100 series from the late 1940s and 50s, brought to life with modern engineering, luxury, and power. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. The designers have nailed the vintage look, keeping the rounded fenders, step-side bed, and that unmistakable split-front windshield. It's a shape that instantly takes you back to post-war Americana, yet everything about it feels fresh. The body panels are flawlessly finished, with rich paint options like deep cherry red, matte forest green, and classic gloss black. Chrome detailing around the grille, bumpers, and door handles adds a touch of authenticity, while LED headlights and taillights give it a modern twist. Even the wheels are a clever mix, resembling the old-school Steelies, but hiding high performance disc brakes behind them. Under the hood, things get serious. Powering the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 is a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine, producing around 430 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque. It's the kind of power that turns heads and throws you back in your seat. This isn't some show truck with a tired engine. It's a beast on the road. You can get it with a 6-speed automatic transmission, or for purists, a manual gearbox is also available. And this truck isn't just about straight-line speed. Thanks to an upgraded chassis, independent front suspension, and coilover shocks, it handles corners with confidence. Modern power steering and four-wheel disc brakes mean you're always in control, whether you're cruising down the highway or rolling through a tight city street. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that respects its roots, but fully embraces the future. The bench seat is wrapped in high-quality leather, and the classic dash design has been reimagined with digital gauges that mimic vintage styling. You get a full infotainment system with touchscreen controls, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and even a rear-view camera subtly integrated into the rear-view mirror. Air conditioning, push-button start, and high-end audio are all standard. The materials are premium throughout: brushed aluminum accents, custom stitching, and solid tactile feedback on every knob and switch. It's clear that no shortcuts were taken. This isn't just a nice place to sit. It's a luxury cockpit in a 1950s body. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100 Vintage Pickup doesn't come cheap, but that's expected for a hand-built or limited production Restomod. Pricing starts around $150,000 and can easily push past $200,000 depending on options, paint, and customization. But you're not just buying a vehicle. You're investing in craftsmanship, heritage, and exclusivity. Whether it's built by GM in partnership with a custom shop or commissioned through a specialty builder, every model reflects painstaking attention to detail and performance tuning. What's most impressive is how the 3100 manages to bridge two worlds. It's just as comfortable at a cars and coffee meet as it is on the freeway or even your local track. You get the soul of a vintage pickup, the heartbeat of a modern performance machine, and the luxury of a premium ride, all in one unforgettable package. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 Vintage Pickup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. This is Auto Inside, and we'll see you on the next ride.